Cow. It's my birthday! Cause you got COVID. You guys, a situation happened here in this place. Hi guys, welcome to another video from me. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm super excited to share my day with you guys. Did I say my day? Basically, let me just explain what's happening right here, okay? Today is the eve of my birthday. Thing is, I'm not even as excited as I was like 2 weeks ago. Just like, you know, whatever happens, you know. I don't know why today is giving me rain vibes. It's called rain vibes. I don't know, but like that's why I feel. Check the weather real quick. God, please don't shame me. Rain today because today is the day I want to take pictures. Okay, I want to fire you people on Instagram. So right now my plan is to quickly jump into the bathroom, have my bath, make my hair. I have never vlogged before, so I pray this vlog comes out the best way. So I'm heading to the Airbnb now to, you know, go do my makeup and everything. I'll talk to you guys when I'm at the Airbnb. My friend and my family friend is supposed to meet me at the Airbnb. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm there.
Down my shoes, Euro step my move. I just caught the ring. Yeah, my fingers hold on the finer things.
Got here, and I don't advise anybody to ever do anything last minute, cause you won't believe that I forgot to wear slippers.
Step my move. I just caught the ring. Yeah, my fingers hold on the finer things. That's just what I do. One and down like 3. Me and my brother shoot. Who the fuck is you? Bitch, you need to stop. She swallowed all my pride when she gave me top. You ain't doing jack. I sip it on the rocks. I rock my 22s. Go pray for you get crossed. You a goofy. Watch me take her to the movies. She like Disney.
Wait, could you still please stop on my place? Girl, I forgot to wear slippers. Slippers is like downstairs, and then there's this thing I used to hold my phone when I'm taking pictures on the floor in front of my bed. I think facing the mirror directly. It's just right on the floor of my bed. So please, could you help me stop by my house and get it? Please, thank you, I love you.
Toe down my shoes, Euro step my move. I just caught the ring.
My friend is here. Come here. She's here. Did you find it? Girl, those are my equipment. Like, we're gonna take videos. Oh my god. Shit is finished. Hey baby. Let me call you back. Bye. I'm not keeping updates with you guys. We are heading to the restaurant, but it's currently closed. What? But we move. The devil is a liar. So basically, we finally found a place to go to. Now at this point, it's no longer a brunch. We're having lunch. It will be a dinner. I'm so tired, you guys. Like, come on, this is 1:56 already. What are you talking about? So guys, we're here. We're outside actually waiting to go in because our reservation is for 2:30. Guys, look at the view. Are you done? That's our photographer. And I'm the birthday planner now. You know the boys.
Thinking you rush, trying to do it yourself. I don't give a fuck if I do yourself. Talking that 100 bands running man. I just want to get the bag. I don't lag, I don't drag. I just do the
hey guys. Bro, look at that glow. Michelle. Guys, let me tell you. Ashley's some badass photographer.
Now look at me looking mad.
Y'all look at Ashley.
No,
You guys look at Ashley. Joy, say hi. Debbie. I said Debbie. Please try it. I'll there on you, but what you gonna do?
Come on with the hoes cause I'm choosy. Saying she a foodie, thinking she unique. And she always stressing about uni. Think it's my duty to go and get faded with my goonies. Down shots like Lil Uzi. I done had 4 long nights
Why
this
is
week.
this too hot? Just calm down. Just calm down.
Bitch, give me my bills, my bills, my bills. I spit gold too much, might as well make myself some grills, some grills, some grills.
Say hi to my vlog. Now what? Or you can get a wine. Say hi to my vlog.
To your vlog, hey.
Hey!
Welcome to McCormick and Schmick.
Yay!
We're about to have a great time here. Good drinks, good food, good company.
Come
We're gonna have a
on.
great time.
Cute. Oh, how cute. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mira. Happy birthday to you. Woo! What you wish? Look back.
Wow, it's really cute. Wow. Oh. This downtown is something else.
Girl, we could take pictures of the people.
Or you can do one of those, like, you know, those emotion pictures.
Yeah, we're going back home. Had a nice day today. Gonna call it a day. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm home, okay?
I'm super blessed. I feel good that God brought me into my life. I'm so happy that I have something like in my life. And I'm really grateful to God. Stop it.
This is
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.